This is the Axopar 37 Suntop with Brabus Trim, powered by twin Mercury 400s with Joystick Piloting. It's the perfect blend of performance, design, and versatility. At the bow, you've got a spacious sunpad for relaxing, and just behind it, the signature gullwing doors open up to a surprisingly spacious cabin. Inside, you'll find a sleek interior with a dedicated head, sink, and comfortable berth for overnight stays. Up top, the Suntop gives you that open-air experience while still offering protection from the elements. It's perfect for entertaining with a foldable table and wraparound seating in the cockpit. The helm is all business, fully equipped with GPS, radar, VHF, bow thruster, and a Brabus-style finish that elevates the look and feel. In the aft, there's U-shaped seating and another table, ideal for lounging, dining, or just enjoying the ride. The port side features a convenient wet bar with sink and hidden storage. If you want to see this boat in person, stop by any Nautical Ventures dealership or visit nauticalventures.com. Nautical Ventures, the go-to people for fun on the water.